Per the minimum first, it was the supporters' leadership and they making the move. I'm going to make the move, no. Then Kotoko as an institution supported the move. But the Akai say the coach wanted Setosai to come for an observation. And yet trials and yet justify for an observation. Your observation war. Mamen Abdul Fattah was a few cases in your example. Kumasi Asante Koroko had a problem with Abdul Fattah Osafiu because one way or the other, you never get to Asante Koroko and due diligence. And almost sign player. Almost sign player and you know. And almost said there is a recurring injury. A player and Kwame. So ultimately, there is a recurring injury on home. And the play engineer wa branch any one dear. Yanene to us when ye as I say a manako. At that time, I was signed contract every. So if there's any form of mess, ye create here. Asante Kotoko had already created that mess. But this time around, Kwame, they are told and no now be a film they are bra.
Sure.
And based on issues like that, Asante Kotoko company for decide to say. There are certain players some who no come in the obo team A dia and then the team A kwa kasa na mato kwame na me de naba. That is different. But say me who say kwame bo team A but me nim kwame say no nim bobo and ye kwame bra ne betu tumirika kakra na ye niam ba ku bienu bi na me hye say what so ye kwame na me nim wona eno na nam so ma Elvis Chei ba afo e ba kuma se Asante Kotoko obi trainee ye Eman Pejifo Sheno. He came for observation. So Pedi Minim. Omne set to say this uncle on set to say on own team because on your justified player. Meanwhile, that wasn't a justified, was for an observation. Meanwhile, set to say corner free a coach years Galazino. Or coach training for this, my FN. And son, I was signed contract. Yes. And the Adukonti America say, Nina boils down to money. Players, you know, they always have clubs or more. No more you see Ghana Premier League clubs as backup plans. Because your man tell you no cry about Kupeu. So who dollar ya woman ya home me facility. Let's be honest. A lot of these players, and you can crab in the bed decide they say, my member Asante Kotoko, my member had to folk. Only 100 and 99. And the bono mobono. And you almost Jumano. All they care about is how they are going to make money. And the all bano, Kwame, or team only needing come over the team, on any management, and any agency, or munim. Wabagana said your coach, you pay player. Coach, I want a plan A. Coach, didn't say failure. Plan B, say plan B na year, me C. So you always go for a backup plan. Said your coaches in the year, no. Sana players and no agents and no managers to come here. Sure. Omo team somebody obadi nkomo. Team this kasem was for change ya Asante Kotoko ne had to book. And until America say your problem ni is kasem. But a Ghana na Oba or a Ghana ni. Team now only need nkomo no. Ebim po no so other plans of acquiring other players. Ebim po won so your backup plan the matter team no. It is when the first choice I hand come me foul. Et the players this so nim santino. How many teams need him come on? Omo Ghana de lim tumu. No ne wo ye ne. No ne wo ye china. E china meba. E china chimeti mi aba. E no na make can do so so have to for the na kire no. Hearts na di nkomo. Am a player na dja tum to be ba be sign. Subject to medical. Saturday, Dr. Prince Pambo Aquatina Hospital.
Or train player.
Or train player. Wama.
Soon can be behind champion.
There be coming. Do now and a young yet ye. No one can be being chosen and ye. It's all over Dim Common Wire and ne. Echina and ne. Echina. And ye know. Or catch champion for sending Monday over Banoma Dim Common. And they are Monday. Per report about as I do to free Ghana. Not just our fee. There's our reports that say no cry. Not just our fee, and then you do now wash our home enough. It is in Canona far. The other channels are best time I had to folk. But not had to folk in a backup plan. It's your problem or my way to see a scar. I am telling you. Richmond am to call Rwanda or $10,000 a month. They are say you no cry.
Big Azumi say $3,000 in pool.
And I make us say, or $10,000. They are no. Say you no cry. Kwame and a senior. Senka Sante Kotokobet me am Richmond am to pay $5,000 and now $4,000. I can confidently tell you Senka would to coin and $10,000. I am telling you. Meaning play be about 2 coin bobo baby. Okay, me say biggie. Say me time in your team Ghana has your mommy $2,000 and come in 2 coin.
Oh, why you crack a bit?
Sadek Adams,
Yeah.
$2,000 and can own 2 coin because only $2,000 and bet me a channel. I saw only fear for in the busia. I'm an asaya japade. But obey 2 coin. Now I call because of Sikasem. That is what I'm saying, sir. Your problem in your ska. So Rwanda no muto players. Kwame. But this time around, Ababa be more. Why? Because Penkoma did the attitude the government then invested in their football. It's investment in our government and I know. Ama clubs then Jessica financially are strong. It's a firm who market in the Fabi because they also want to compete in Africa.
Sure.